Hello everyone. Welcome to DhiNexus. I'm Surya. Today we are going to learn about factoring quadratic expression. At DhiNexus, we make learning experience simple, clear, and engaging. So stay tuned till the end of the session. Let's start. As I told you, we are going to um factorize a quadratic expression. Before we start, we should know few things about an algebraic expression. See, in algebra, what is an expression? See, in simple, we can say combination of terms like variables, operators, constant. For example, 5x plus 3x plus 3. Okay, here, as you can see, x as a variable and it should be always with a letter. Unknown variable can be denoted as a letter x. Okay, what about operators? We know plus or minus. And this whole number considered to be constant. Okay, what is the difference between expression and an equation here? Expressions are nothing but combination of terms. Like I said before, we have only variable, operator, constant. When it comes equation, we use equal sign, whether it can be equal to 0 or it can be equal to any other expression. So this is the main difference between an expression and an equation. Now, let's start this quadratic expression. So what is that word quadratic expression differs? I'll show you. See, this quadratic term is nothing but we do have expression, right? We have highest power, right? When I write this expression 5x square plus 3x cube plus 3, what is the highest power here? 3. We call this as degree, highest power of the expression. Condition for a quadratic expression is any expression which has highest power 2, we say that expression is a quadratic expression. So we are going to factorize it. The term factor means what? Now, when I give you a number like 10, you can say 5 and 2 are the factors of 10. Just 2 times 5 or 5 times 2 is equals 10. When it comes an expression, we can also factorize expression as well. Okay, how? See, we have x square minus 7x minus 18. We do have general format of quadratic expression as ax square plus bx plus c. Coefficient of x squared is a. Coefficient of x is b. And c is constant. We should compare this general format with the given expression. As you can see, the constant term is minus 18. And I'm putting this minus 18. Just I'm going to factor it. Now I can take 6, 3, 9, 2, some of the factors. Instead of taking 6, 3, I'm going to take 9, 2. Why? We should satisfy the condition like when you multiply those two factors, you should get minus 80. And when you add these two factors, you should get minus 7 as the coefficient of x. This is the condition. Let me repeat. You got two factors for any constant here given minus 18. But specifically, I'm taking 9 and 2. As minus 9 times 2, I receive minus 18. When I add minus 9 plus 2, I got minus 7 as the coefficient of x. Now I'm going to rewrite this expression by just expanding minus 7 as minus 2x, sorry, plus 2x, since we got plus 2 here, minus 9x minus 18. Why? What is the reason of rewriting minus 7 as plus 2x minus 9x? Both are same, right? See, minus 7x is minus 9x plus 2x. Why can't we replace minus 7x as plus 2x minus 9x? Yes, we can do that. Now, we can factorize as x as a common factor. We get x plus 2 inside, minus 9 when we take x plus 2 again inside. Here, one more thing is very important. See, I got minus 9x minus 18, but I'm writing plus 2 here. Why? See, when you expand here, minus 9 times x minus 9x, minus 9 times plus 2 minus 18. So it should satisfy the expression with the given sign. When I write minus instead of plus, I might get plus 18, not minus 18. That is wrong. Okay, even plus is correct. Now we got x plus 2 and x minus 9 as the factors of this expression, x square minus 7x minus 18. Let me teach you the second one. Given in the second question, p square minus 5p minus 14. Here, as you can see, the constant as minus 14. I'm gonna factorize. I mean, finding the factors. What is the condition? When I multiply, I must get minus 14. When I add, I should get minus 5. So it satisfies. Now I'm rewriting the equation p square minus plus 2p minus 7p minus 14. Now I can take 2 as a common factor and minus 7 here, 2 inside. Now I got p minus 7 and p plus 2. See? Okay. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it to your friends, of course. And of course, you subscribe to DhiNexus. Let's continue here. Now, look at number 3. We have this expression, quadratic expression, m square minus 9m plus 8. So we have 8 to find the factor. Simply 9 times 1, I can take minus 9 plus 1 as, no, minus 8 plus 1 as minus 1. Okay, minus 8 minus 1 as plus 8. And when you add minus 9, see, minus 8 times minus 1 is plus 8, the constant, and minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9, the coefficient of m. I'm gonna rewrite this as m square minus m minus 8m plus 8. Now I'm gonna take m outside and here minus 8 outside. Now I got m minus 8, m minus 1 as the factors. Take a look at this fourth one. Given expression is x square minus 16x plus 63. We have 63 as a constant. We should find the factors. Let me take 9 times 7. I got 63. But when it is minus 9 minus 7, I might get minus 16 as well. So after this, let me rewrite. Instead of minus 16s, I'm writing minus 7x minus 9x remaining. Now we can take a common factor outside, x minus 7, and here minus 9 outside, x minus 7 again. Since 9 times 7 is 63. Now we got the two factors x minus 9, x minus 7 for this expression, x square minus 16x plus 63. In this part, I have included easy sums, medium sums, and hard sums as well, and different kinds of sums. So, if you see number 5, 7x square minus 31x minus 20, we have coefficient of x squared as 7. Before we had 1, here in this we had 7. Now, let me show you how to factorize this kind of expression. Our first step would be just multiply the coefficient of x square and constant. I got minus 20 times 7 minus 140 to be taken as finding the factors. Now, when I take minus 140, let me take the factor 4. Then it would be 35 times 4. When I multiply minus 35 times 4, I get minus 140. Minus 35 plus 4 would be minus 31. Satisfies the condition. So I can rewrite minus 31x as minus 35x minus 4. Sorry, plus 4x minus 20. And we take 7x as a common factor, x minus 5, here 4, x minus 5 as well. Now we take 7x plus 4, x minus 5 as the factors of this expression. So the only thing we have included here initially is multiplying the coefficient of x square and the constant as taken as a factor. Okay. If we have a expression like this, see, we got no constant. In this term, we can simply take the common variable outside and write the remaining. That's all. See again, in question number 7, we got 7x square minus 45x minus 28. As I said earlier, you should multiply the constant and coefficient of x square first. Minus 196. See, when you multiply both, you should get minus 196. And when you add both, you should get minus 45x. So let me divide it by 4. So it would be 49 times 4. I can get minus 45 when you add minus 49 plus 4, you get minus 45. And when you multiply both, you get minus 196 as well. Let me rewrite by replacing minus 45 as minus 49x plus 4x minus 28. Now we have to take a common factor, 7x outside, as I got x minus 7. And here when I take 4 as a common factor, I got x minus 7 again. Thus I got the factors successfully. See how nice it is. So let me take you to the next sum. 2b square plus 17b plus 21. So 21 times 2 would be 42 to be taken. Finding factors next. When you multiply both, you should get plus 42. And when you add both, you should get 17. So can I take 3? Multiple 3 as 42. So 34 times 3 would be 42. But we don't have, when we add, we didn't get 17. So this won't work. Then can we take let me take 42 divided by 2 is 21. 21 times 2 will not be. When you divide by 3, sorry, I have mistakenly written 34 instead of 14. Now, when I multiply 14 times 3, I get 42. And when I add, I get 17. Now, let me rewrite this 2b square plus 14b plus 3b plus 21. And I take a common factor 2b outside, b plus 7. And here plus 3, b plus 7 as well. Now I got the factors 2b plus 3, b plus 7. That's all. Let me do number 9. Minus 18 times 5 is minus 19. And 9 times 10 minus 9 minus 10. If it is minus 10 plus 9, I get minus 1. And when I multiply, I get minus 90 as well. Okay, let me rewrite this. 5p square minus 10p plus 1 plus 9p minus 18. So 5p, when I take that common factor outside, I get p minus 2. Here 9 plus 9, I got p minus 2 again. So I got 5p plus 9, p minus 2 as the two factors. So I'm here just explaining how to factorize quadratic expression in detail. As I said, you might have some different kind of expression like this. Since the degree is 4, it might not be considered as quadratic expression. Before factorizing it, let me take the common factors outside. As I have 28, 16, 80, I can take 4 and n square. I got 7n square plus 4n minus 20 within the bracket as a quadratic expression. Now, we should find the factors of this 7n square plus 4n minus 20. So, same, minus 20 times 7 would be minus 140. And when you multiply, you should get minus 140. And when you add, you should get 4. So what condition will satisfy of getting 4 when I multiply this? Let me take multiple 4, 35 times 4. 35 times 4 might be 140, but when I subtract, I won't get 4. Let me change. Let me take another option. Let me divide it by 5. 24 times 5 also won't work. And what else we can do is that 20 times 7. No, 20 minus 7 would be 13, not 4. Okay, let me take you to that sum again. See, I got, as I said before, I got 140. Now I'm taking 14 times 10. I get plus 4 when when I add minus 10 plus 14, and I get minus 140 when I multiply both. See, let me rewrite the equation as 4n square within bracket 7n square plus 14n minus 10n minus 20. And I got, when I take 7 outside, n square plus 2n. So we need to take, see, when I take plus 14n minus 10n, I should get 7n square plus 14n minus 10n minus 20. So instead of writing the 4n, I have written 14n minus 10n. 7n taken outside, n plus 2 minus 10 outside, n plus 2 again. So I got n plus 2, 7 and minus 10. Factors of this quadratic expression is 7n minus 10 and n plus 2. Thank you for watching the video on this factorizing quadratic expression, and we will be back very soon with more learning sessions. Until then, keep learning with DhiNexus. Thank you.